Welcome to Stride University today. We are going to be doing a quick tour of how to create a new web page on the website and just some quick tips as you're doing some basic editing. So we're going to go ahead, hop into the website, and it'll bring you up to this page. To start editing, it's super easy. You can edit straight from here in the web and just start editing your website, or if you want to add a new page, come up here, add new, and we're just going to add a page, and we're going to give it a title. So today's title will be world travel, and here you're going to get a dialog box. You can add it to the menu if you want to, and that'll show up in that top ribbon next to like home and shop or your blog, or you can say, no, I don't want to add it to my menu. This is going to be a special landing page that I direct people to. So whatever your choice is, you can do it there, or you can add a link somewhere else, and we'll go over how to do that. So for today, I'm actually going to add it to my menu, and I'm going to go ahead and create that page, and you'll notice that it pops up and is blank for you. So one of the first things we can do is select some blocks, and over here these are all of our pre-ready-made blocks. So we can do a lot of different things with these blocks, and I encourage you to play with all of them and find the ones that you use. We have kind of our structural blocks, our features blocks, where you can add in some items from your store that kind of cycle through. So if you have a landing page that's specifically for a product line, you could bring in some items, all sorts of things. You can have a call to action where people can sign up for different things in newsletters. And then down here in our we have dynamic content, where you can create like a newsletter pop-ups. When they hit this page, it encourages them to sign up for the newsletter. You could have a form that they could submit, and it could either send you an email, or you can configure that to do some other things. And we'll go all into some of these in a more deep dive website training. But today we're just kind of doing some basic editing. So I'm going to bring in a banner, and the artificial intelligence that we have here allows us, it kind of pre-populates with pictures and some taglines, but these are all editable. So if you click in that block now, you'll see that it went from having the blocks dialog that you see here to moving to the customize dialog box. So this is where we can start to customize this website and make it feel like our own. First off, you can replace your image, and that's going to be right here, and if you hit replace, it's going to bring up a dialog box, and you can upload an image, or you can add a URL. So this is if you've got it on your computer. If you have URLs of all of your images, you can add them here. So I'm actually going to change this picture to one of my favorites, and you'll see that, oh, it kind of brought it up a little bit funny. So we can start to play with that in the widths and the sizes of all of the images, and we can adjust the position of that picture. Sometimes we can adjust the quality so it loads faster, or reduce the quality. We can change the content width, so it's full page or half page, or a small content width. We can add some parallax, so that as you scroll, there's no scroll on this page, but it will make that image move. If we add some additional blocks down here, and we scroll through this page, it'll make that image move. So there's lots of different things we can do in here. We can adjust that picture to the side, and say, yeah, that's where I want it. We can make this block a little bit larger, and then as we scroll down, you can see that parallax movement going on there. So some of those different things, you can play with those features, add in different icons. And here, this is another fun thing we've got. So we can, if we wanted to replace this hotel booking icon with a different one, you can replace that with an image of your own. So you could say, hey, I want my own image there, or we have a predefined set of icons that you can choose from, and there's quite a big list that you can choose and kind of make your own. So this is the one we're on right now. It's that hotel one, but hey, if we wanted to change that to I don't know, these little squiggly lines, we just click that, and now all of a sudden it's changed. We're good to go. You can edit the color in those. Your theme will be loaded in here, so you can change your theme colors if you want to. So all sorts of things. It's very customizable, you can do with it what you want, and it doesn't take any coding skills to be able to pop out a website here real quick. So that's kind of the basic editing, creating a new page, and then as you hit save, that'll save that page. It's ready to go. And then you'll notice right now, before we end this little tutorial, that this page is not published. So it's not viewable to anybody through the web. If you want to publish that, just simply click that page, and now if someone were to search our URL, they would be able to find that. So we're going to keep that unpublished for now, and we'll come back here and do some more advanced editing in another episode. As always, if you have questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks.